The housing and eyelet assembly is the housing portion of the trimmer head. It is the part of the trimmer head that is attached to the gearbox. It accepts the line spool and contains the eyelets that the trimmer line passes through. Common problems with the housing are wear in the area where the housing attaches to the gearbox, cracks in the housing, and worn or missing eyelets. Replacing the housing and eyelet assembly is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the spool retainer from the trimmer head. The spool retainer is a reverse thread. With the retainer removed, now I can remove the spool. Next, I'll remove the housing. Now I can install the new housing and eyelet assembly. I'll transfer the spring from the old housing to the new. Next, I'll remove the trimmer line from the spool. Now I can reinstall the housing onto the spindle. I'll install the spool into the housing, and I'll secure it with the retainer. And last, I'll reinstall the string. I'll rotate the spool until the arrow aligns with the eyelet. I'll thread the string through one eyelet, and it'll come out the eyelet on the other side. I'll pull the line through until I have the same amount of line out either side of the trimmer head. And then I just rotate the spool to load the line. And that's how you can install a new housing and eyelet assembly on your trimmer. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up.